Welcome back to Overheat. Hyundai Motorhome 2026 External Design. Modern and aerodynamic features clean lines. The unique front grille may be the parametric dual grille, streamlined LED headlights, and neatly integrated taillights, all of which are hallmarks of Hyundai's current design language. Large or panoramic windows on the top and sides to optimize views and natural light are known as panoramic windows. An electric awning that conveniently opens and closes to offer outside protection is called an integrated awning. Broad entry door, an expansive main door featuring an automatic or manual folding ladder for convenient access. External storage compartments, a number of externally accessible storage spaces for supplies, luggage, and camping equipment. Interior design, seating area, cozy L or U-shaped sofa, frequently accompanied by a table that may be folded down or rearranged. The front passenger and driver seats may be turned 180 degrees to join the living space. LED lighting, the cozy ambience is created with energy-efficient, programmable ambient LED lighting. Kitchen, refrigerator, freezer, stainless steel sink, stove. Storage, a ton of cabinets and drawers for groceries and kitchenware. Cozy bed, a top-notch mattress with ideal size. Perhaps memory foam or pocket spring. Storage options include underbed drawers, overhead shelves, and wardrobes. Powerful and economical SmartStream diesel engine from Hyundai, probably a 2.20 or 2.5L, mated to a seamless automatic transmission, is expected to power it. Options for electric hybrid engines, considering Hyundai's dedication to electrification. A plug-in hybrid or even an all-electric motorhome version might be available. Drivetrain. Front-wheel drive FWD for campers and rear-wheel drive RWD for bigger motorhomes for greater load capacity. Advanced infotainment system, Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a large touchscreen with navigation tailored to motorhomes. Solar panel, a solar panel put on the roof that charges the home batteries continuously.